Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life. So, this video is about if you are trying to switch to a BA role. For example, if you are on any technology, let's say you are working on SAP currently or Salesforce, maybe AWS. There are tons of cloud technologies or CRMs or ERPs. So, if you are working on one of them and you're trying to switch to a role that is more of a business role, like you know the technical things really well, you have been an admin on particular platform or maybe developer, but right now you're trying to switch to a business role or business analysis kind of roles. So what is needed for you to done, and I'm going to be sharing that in this video. And for example, if you are a fresher and you think you want to switch to these kind of role, so you need to have certain technical expertise to get into this role, or else you have to have a MBA, okay, in business analysis, okay, business analytics or data analytics. And yeah, so these kind of roles are for experienced hires only. And one can start their career with this, but then the like the probability of getting them success as in getting them more good roles in BA would highly depend on how technical they are. Like they were, BAs are there in every kind of organization, but if you are a technical BA, that is a really plus point, because you can handle an application end to end, you can connect with the developers, you can connect with the stakeholders as well. So this is more about technical BA. Let's see, if I am going to take an example. If you're a someone who is a Salesforce person, like I used to be Salesforce admin, Salesforce data analyst, Salesforce BA also. Right now I'm Salesforce consultant, which is more similar to a BA role, but has different like responsibility, little bit different responsibility. Is it's more of a product owner role. So what skills I did to achieve this? I'm assuming that you have a technical skill, you have at least 2 years of experience, so you can switch to a technical BA role, knowing that you have worked on certain fundamentals of business analysis. For example, what a BA does: they gather requirement, they write user stories, they write FRDs and BRDs, like functional requirement documentation and business requirement documentation. They write it, they arrange scrum calls, they manage the project end to end. Like if the project manager is not there, then it's BA's responsibility. If the project manager is there, then BA roles is on the like ending the technical, like doing the technical aspect of it. So yes, you need to connect with a lot of developers, stakeholders every now and then. You'll be more and more you'll be on calls. And the things that you will need to learn over here is not majorly the technical, but how you present yourself and how you present your uh, project in front of anyone who is part of the project. So it's your responsibility. It's your responsibility to arrange those daily meetings. It's your responsibility to get those statuses of anything that is happening in your project. For example, a developer is working on code one piece of code, and the other developer is working on another piece of code, and there is an admin who is also working on the customization of similar work. So you will be the person who is going to get in connect with the both developers and the admin and get the work done. So your job is to get the work done. You are the person who is responsible for taking care of everything that is happening in your project. Now it varies in every project, okay? So The skills that you need to know is obviously business analysis. So for those who really want to learn end to end what a BA does, there are courses on Coursera, there are courses on Udemy. You can find any. You can give your sufficient amount of time and you will learn those skills. But learning it is never a good start point. You need to work on it. Okay, so if your organization has a BA, just remember to check what that person do on a daily basis. If you think that you can do that task, go for this role, because this is a flourishing role. This cannot be taken away, because what a BA does is something like connecting with a lot of people, networking with a lot of people, and getting to do the task done is something that can't be replaced by any AI, because every organization requires someone to to have a credibility that AI can't do it. Okay, so don't be afraid that if you are technical BA you could be fired or something. That is never the case. And yeah, I'm gonna be listing a course in the description box below if you really want to follow. I really find it intriguing to learn all the business skills, because I've never been like done any MBA or MTech, so I don't have masters, but I am still able to grab that opportunity, and I'm really willing to share everything that I have done to get that opportunity. So I'm a technical BA, and I'm really proud of myself, and I really think that if you do this, your pay scale would be very high, and you would be in much more better position that you think you can achieve. Okay, so definitely go for this, and let me know what kind of cloud technologies you are working on currently, so I'll suggest you what BA role, like what is the exact role that you could look for in the comment section below. And I really request you all to just like my video once, because it will help me get reach to a broader audience. So yeah, that is only my thing that I need from you. Yeah, bye bye for now. If you have any query, suggestion or doubt, you can write in the comment section below. I would highly appreciate your time in writing such comment. Bye bye.